Welcome to our guide on zero-waste packing for your Everest Base Camp trek, where sustainability meets high-altitude adventure. Join us as we explore practical tips and eco-friendly solutions to minimize waste and make the most of your journey to the top of the world. Before embarking on your Everest Base Camp trek, thoughtful planning and preparation are key. Opt for durable, multi-purpose gear and clothing made from sustainable materials to reduce your environmental footprint. Pack light and efficiently to minimize excess weight and unnecessary waste. Utilize reusable containers and packing cubes to organize your belongings and optimize space in your backpack. Say goodbye to single-use plastics and disposable items. Invest in reusable water bottles, food containers, and utensils to minimize waste along the trail. Remember, every small change makes a big difference. Dispose of waste responsibly at designated trash collection points and practice leave-no-trace principles to preserve the pristine beauty of the Himalayan landscape. Be sure to separate recyclables and organic waste to minimize environmental impact. As you trek through the majestic Himalayas en route to Everest Base Camp, take time to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the landscape. Embrace the journey, connect with fellow trekkers, and savor the unforgettable moments along the trail. Congratulations, you've made it to Everest Base Camp. By adopting zero-waste packing practices and embracing sustainability, you've not only minimized your impact on the environment, but also enhanced your overall trekking experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Everest Base Camp with zero-waste packing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to EcoWanderer Guides for more sustainable travel tips and eco-conscious adventures. Happy trekking!